folks, it's me again at Gunawagi, Utah's Garage. What am I doing? I'm doing a bench cleaning video because I like doing them. You can see how shitty how much crap is on my bench. So, but I'm probably gonna, I don't know. I don't know if you can see well with this. Oh, well, anyway, there's all the junk that's on my bench, and it needs to be cleaned. And well, I'll show all the crap. There's a video with these dual adapters that I got. Gotta put them somewhere. I don't have my microphone, but I mostly gotta clean up the junk. I know that's almost a joke right now. The junk, because there's like kind of junk in here. All kinds of junk in my trunk. It's mostly all these screws and shit here. I have a ton of crap everywhere. Just over here. Something to moosh it all over. This is, I don't know what color it's for. That stays here, that stays here, that stays here. That stays here. That's an extra bar I made. Something, oh, penny. Rich, I got a penny. Keeping the bearings. The rest is all. See, these are bolts I need. The rest. This is garbage. I demolished, what was it again? An air purifier. It was fun. I mean, hey, it's fun demolishing stuff. Then I get to make a video for all these people to watch. All these people that wish you can demolish stuff. There's old screws. New screws. New ones. New ones. Old ones. This has to stay here. I think all this is trash. That's still good. You gotta be very careful I don't throw away certain bolts on here. Like these things are cool. I cut all my, believe it or not, this stupid idea, which I got off of somebody on YouTube, is actually pretty cool, especially with an old tape measure. It's really cool. It's of no use for most people, but that's garbage. Alrighty. Papers on here. A new oil can. I gotta try this out, see if it works. See if it does the squirty squirt. Better put these away. Wonder how good a vapor rust works in the cold. I don't think it works very well in the cold, from what I remember hearing. I know it works. I don't know how good it works. This is garbage. Garbage. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are like self-tapping jobs. This is all garbage. I'll keep the bolts. Why do I keep bolts? Because I use them. I've used all kinds of bolts. There's a plastic piece for that. That's not good. Put this back together. I have a wooden one like this. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Don't know where it went. Don't know where it went. This over here, screws in the trash. My trash is an old David sunflower seed bucket. This is going to go over there. Let's go back in there. And that's leave that there. This. What the hell's this? Drill bits stay here. That's a piece of sample I need. The reason why I need this little dumb piece is because I made a piece of metal so that this is a piece of fan belt, V belt, and I needed it to sit straight at the angle, so I made a bar. That's all up there too. Garbage. Another screw. Lock washers. Those are my washers, nuts, and bolts. Screws I don't really keep. Especially these stupid, scrappy ass little things like this they give you in what stuff? They're like the most useless fucking screws ever. Alright, all this is junk. So look, there are those little nuts there. Brass. Any more brass in here? That's brass. I have a collection of brass. Know what I'm doing with it? Spring, we're having a party. We're melting it all down. That's what I'm doing. I have a little jar full of brass. No brass, no ammo, drill sergeant. What else is here? This has got to go somewhere. My bench is full of stuff. This, old flyers. I look at old tools. Gotta put this somewhere. Put it up here for now. What else? Metal bars. Oh wait, this is the wire for my DeWalt radio. Apparently I found out it's a charger and a radio. I was under the impression it wasn't even, what do you call it? It was just a, what do you call it? It was just a radio. Put all this in there. Put this later. Put this back. Yeah, put that back. I'll try this out next. This can go back over here. I don't know where I put this. I gotta find a home for these things. Probably bust them all over the floor accidentally. Ouch. Baby wipes. They're really good for cleaning stuff in the shop. This needs to go on my welder. Welding essential I use for everything else. I gotta buy clean one though. This has there's a bolt missing on here. Where is it? There's a little fly bolt missing. Where'd it go? Oh well. Oh well. Anyway, that's pretty much what I want to put away. It's a little cleaner. A little bit cleaner. Does this thing work? I think I made it for a hole in the bench. That in there, that in there. Some of the junk, this cheap pair of pliers is for my grinder. I have set tools for certain things. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.